see car haulers parked all up and down this street. This is where we chill while we're waiting on our loads, except we've already got ours, so now we just have to do our reset. Giving Doggo a little exercise. The weather's beautiful. It's in the 60s. Spring is in the air. Leaves are coming out on the trees. Grass is turning green. Squirrels are chasing each other. Birds are singing. That's one beautiful little mountain range over there. And Doggo is loving it out here. Donner's Pass. Sticking up out of the snow. That is way above the top of this truck. It's got to be 20 feet tall. Solid snow. For those of you who have ever doubted that the Donner story could be true, who have never seen snow deep enough to cause the problems they ran into, here's proof. And this is definitely not a record snowfall year. As you can see, the rest area building is nearly buried in snow. Donner Summit.